The 2012 Cadillac CTS-V with D2Forged wheels. Cadillac CTS-V is a perfect car from factory, so updating it makes absolutely no sense. In fact, if you are taking a closer look at the model's short history, you will notice that there is almost no tuner to offer significant changes for the model. All the changes we have seen were limited to minor exterior updates, new wheels and a few extra ponies under the hood. Today the guys over D2Forged applied the same treatment and improved the look of the CTS-V with a new set of wheels. We are talking about a new set of wheels in 11-spoke design featuring unique detail fluting and an aggressive, sporty aesthetic. The wheels measure 21 x 9.5 at the front and 21 x 11 at the rear, with classic step lip configuration preventing the center from looking too large. The new wheels were combined with titanium brushed center and high-polished lip finishing, and the perfect Caddy wheel is complete.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.